Hi, it's Peter Nixon with another relationship-oriented tactic. Let me just straighten my tie here because it's so important to look good on camera, even in the time of COVID when we don't wear ties. Of course, I put on a full suit, but it's crazy hot in Hong Kong, and it has been for a long time. 5 months of over 30 degrees temperature and 80% humidity. So not comfortable outside, but certainly beats perhaps minus 60 that I have lived through also in Canada. Today's tactic, a negotiation tactic for relationship oriented negotiators. And this is to remove the negative language. So the word but appears all the time. And all you need to do is remove the word but and replace it with the word and, or replace it with a comma. So, for example, I'd like to give you all of the things you're asking for, but I can't. But I want to give you more. When you hear the word but, when the other side hears the word but, they immediately think of something negative. I'd like to give you all I can't, but, and they're thinking, you can't. They're not expecting you to say, I'd like to give you everything you want, but I want to give you more. That's not what you hear in negotiation. So let's try it the other way. I'd like to give you everything I can, and I'm wondering what more I can give you. Oh, that sounds wonderful. I'd like to give you everything I can, and we're going to have some struggles to meet some of your specific supply requirements. Well, when you hear the and, there's added issues, and that means we can work on them. But at least you're stating upfront that you'd like to help them. Let's change the but not to and, but to the apostrophe. I'd like to give you everything you're asking for. We have some supply issues that we need to work through. We'd like to discuss those with you now. So no buts, no ands, just a pause, like a comma or an apostrophe. And they know more is coming. So you're capturing their attention. So what are the benefits? The but word immediately causes a negative reaction. You want to get that out of the negotiation. The and word is a nice connection. They know that there's more issues. The pause, the comma, the apostrophe gives you a chance to help the listener realize there's a few more things involved in what you have been discussing. All good benefits of getting rid of the but. So but out the but word is the common tactic. You may have heard it elsewhere. We're just adding it on the list because it is important, and we hear the word an awful lot all around us. Everyone uses it, but they don't realize the negative impact. If you need help, let us know. We're here to help. And if we can remind you on this and other things that you're doing or people in your team are doing, that will definitely help improve your outcomes. I'm Peter Nixon for A Dialogue Minute.